The Lexus NX300h is a self-charging hybrid, which means no need for cables, wall chargers or range anxiety. Drive the car normally, refuel it normally, and let the technology do its work. Press the power button, but you won't hear a thing as the electric motor is switched on, but the combustion engine hasn't kicked in yet. Being in EV mode, the car is producing absolutely no emissions at the moment. When you get to 40 miles an hour, the combustion engine kicks in and you get an increase in power. If you do want to accelerate on full throttle, the 2.5 litre petrol engine will whisk you along.
When you're at the lights like this, it's in EV mode, electric vehicle mode, so it's using only the electric motor until you get above a certain revs and speed, and then the engine kicks in as well to give you a bit of an extra boost. But around town you'll find it be going into EV mode and you'll see the green car on the display, and also it's reducing the emissions from the car when you're in town. That is saving you money. You can also put it into EV mode during your actual journey when you get into something like a car park or a traffic jam where you want it to go into, where you know you want it to go into electric mode. You've got all your controls for your radio, your telephone, on your steering wheel, controls for cruise control, lane control, alert if you're getting too close to car in front. This toggles through your menu and your car settings, so you don't have to go to the touch screen. This is your main control area, just like a mouse on a, so you move your finger on there and it moves an icon on the screen. So we can press menu on there, menu comes up, as you can see, destination, radio, media. That brings up all your Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone or any Bluetooth. Your apps which is coming, so you'll have apps connected to your car, so same apps as you have on your phone. Set up a car setup. So again, you've got unit measurements, languages, whatever you want. Set up your Bluetooth. Vehicle, you set up all your vehicle modes, voices, phone. Again, that's as simple as moving your finger over a mouse like a laptop. Straight away you press map, you've got your map come up on the screen there. You've got all your heating controls here, individual controls for driver and passenger, and this one has heated seats. You've got 3 modes for heating. Press once for heating, maximum, press again, reduce, press again, lowest, press again, off. Also, it has air blowing through the seat, so you can have it recycling through the seat. Again, you can have 3 different strengths of that. This also comes with a CD, and it's the Mark Leveson system. You've got a nice cubby hole here, charging unit, so you can put your phone in there to charge it and it's out the way. And you've got various connections there for phones, 12 volt supply for any of your needs there. 2 USB points, obviously cup holders, and one thing, nice little vanity mirror there, so you can look out for things and store things in there as well. That is nice touch, and everything is nice leather finish. Large glove box. Put it into reverse, the screen becomes reversing camera, reversing monitor, and you've got your 360-degree view as well, so you can see what's all around the car. I love all the dials on here, really superb quality, and being Lexus, you know it's reliable and solid. The wing mirror's got blind spot recognition, so it gives you a warning if you're moving lanes and there's something in your blind spot. Now this is the Premier, so yeah, like I say, it's the top of the range. The best selling version is the mid-range luxury, again in all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and it's going up against the likes of the Audi Q5, BMW X5, that type of SUV. On the entry model you can now get one for £249 a month, which seems an absolute steal for what you get. And of course you can add more specs as you want it. Fully electric seats on this, both passenger and driver. 6-speed automatic box. You have the option to take it off of drive, put it into sport mode. You can use the actual gear stick up and down, obviously, to go up and down the gears. You have the paddle shifts on here should you wish to change the gearing yourself manually, and also when you're into sport drive, sport mode, you can go up and down as you wish, so you've got more control over your actual driving. Most of the time you'll find you'll be in automatic and just the car will do everything for. This comes with heads-up display. So you'll get your relevant information in there, your speed of the road. So it's, at the moment it's saying 50, car speed limit. You've got parking assist on this car, so when you're parking you'll get the beeps that tell you when you're getting near to an object or another car. You've also got lane guidance on this, so if you cross a lane without indicating, you'll get a warning. And if you get too close to the car in front, you've got an alert that gives you a warning as well. 3 modes here, which is eco mode, normal driving mode, and then your sport. So if you want a bit of a more sporty performance, gears change quicker, a bit more acceleration, you can use that. Obviously eco mode is your most efficient mode. Everything feels luxurious in this leather, really nice trim in here.
The NX300h has dynamic styling with plenty of character. For a small size SUV, it has plenty of space inside for 5 people and luggage, whether this be camping equipment or shopping. You can electronically open the boot via the key fob, and by the press of a button inside, the boot will shut automatically too. The interior is luxurious as you would expect from Lexus, well made and reliable. Handling is great. The NX takes corners well with the driver feeling in total control at all times. This hybrid also benefits from regenerative braking. When lifting your foot off the accelerator or braking, the car harnesses the kinetic energy from that and puts it back into the battery. It's another reason why you never have to recharge a full hybrid Lexus model. As mentioned, the door mirrors have blind spot indication, which indicates you whether there's a vehicle or something behind you in another lane which is outside your normal field of view. The very stylish rear lights are composed of LEDs arranged in a cluster to form an L signature, recognising it as a Lexus. One of my personal favourite things is the integration between an analogue clock and the newly digital display screen there. The Lexus theme is continued in the LED headlights and daytime running lights, which show the L. With all the technology and specifications the NX300h has, it makes a very, very practical buy and sensible buy if you're looking for a compact SUV. You get a whole lot for your money, and knowing it's a Lexus, you know that you'll have excellent aftercare and great customer service.